The major change is the replacement of the Mgnrega Act with the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Grameen VBGRAMG Act 2025, shifting to a centrally sponsored scheme to guarantee 125 days of work, focus on durable rural infrastructure, water, climate resilience, and use digital tools, AI, biometrics, for better accountability, decentralized planning via Viksit Gram Panchayats, and enhanced transparency with real-time monitoring and social audits. Key changes from Mgnrega to VB-GRAMG. Scheme name: Mgnrega replaced by Viksit Bharat GRAMG Act 2025. Employment guarantee increased to 125 days per household from 100. Focus areas: links employment to durable rural infrastructure, water security, and climate resilience, not just unskilled labor. Structure: moves from central sector to centrally sponsored, improving center-state partnership. Planning: strengthens decentralized planning via Viksit Gram Panchayat plans. Technology and transparency: uses AI, biometrics, GPS, and real-time MIS dashboards for better monitoring, identification of irregularities, and public visibility. Accountability: central government gets stronger enforcement powers, mandates social audits at least every 6 months. Funding: introduces normative funding for more predictable resource flow. Why the change? The VB-GRAMG Act aims to address systemic issues in Mgnrega by enhancing income security, ensuring predictable work, formalizing the rural economy, and aligning employment with long-term development goals for a Viksit Bharat, developed India, by 2047.